These days I'm doing a series of unboxings, one of which is this one that I've already done. I'll put a link right there, so go take a look at this one. The one I wanted to show you today is this, that came directly from Denmark. It's the HenryArcher. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. I'm Francois, and it's time to watch. So let's get right into it. I'll open up this box and we'll see what's inside. This, as I said, comes from Denmark. I am part of a few watch groups and I search for watches. I, of course, have different feeds that come to me, and this company basically came into one of my feeds. So it caught my eye. I was curious enough to go to their website and see what they had to offer, and I reached out to them. So they sent me this watch. They lent me this watch, I should say, so that I can show it to you. So here's the packaging itself. It's kind of a small booklet. It's a designed in Denmark type of information sheet that you have in there. Here is, I guess, the paperwork for this watch. Let's see what's inside. And as I said, it's indicated right there, thank you for your purchase, but this one needs to be sent back. So that's what I'll do. And yep, that's it. That's the paperwork. We'll never mind that. So let's look how they package this. It's kind of a sizable box for a sizable watch. So if we look here, this is kind of a gift paper, I would say, but inside there's some sort of cardboard type of corrugated paper, or I would say recycled paper of some sort, so that it adds protection to the watch. So that's a nice touch. Here it is, HenryArcher, nice clean design, and a nice simple box. So this is a sleeve. Let's take that off, put it there. And here's the box itself. So that's an embossing of the logo and nothing else. So it's a nice solid box. So if we open this up, we'll see the watch, but here are the manuals. The manual for the use of the watch and the certificate of authenticity, and of course these manuals are not viewed. I don't know why they put that in there, but here's the watch. Here is what caught my eye, and this is considered a dive watch because I'll show it to you later. It's a 200-meter water resistance. And it's a different look and feel as I've seen before. You have that nice sunburst effect on the dial. The bezel itself, let's hear it, and it's a little difficult to grip with that small coin edge, I should say, but there's a nice solid click and nearly no back play to it. You see that nice finish on there. You have the markers that are applied, a nice signed and screw down crown. A nice feel to the movement. A solid click to change the date. You see at the 6 o'clock down there. And another click to hack the movement. And of course, adjust the time. And the screw down experience is perfect. You just lock it in place. So it's a nice slim fit with a slightly domed sapphire crystal with nice play with the light on that finishing display case back. If you look, they have their logo on that rotor right there. Let me just take this off, be a bit cleaner. So if I recall, it's a sapphire crystal on the back as well. And you see the logo on there, and you see that it's a screwed down and not it's screwed down with screws, of course. So I like the finish, I like the play with the light, and as I mentioned earlier, it's a 200-meter water-resistant watch, so it's a true diver that you can put on your wrist. So let me put it on my wrist and see what it looks like. So here it is on my 7-inch wrist. I like the form factor, as you all know. For those who follow me, I like larger watches, and this one is nice and clean. It's very legible. It's relatively thin, even if it has this boxy feeling. A nice rubber and solid strap. It's signed and stainless steel with room to grow and for smaller wrists. I have this type of rubber here on another watch. I'll leave a link right there. And of course, I like that blue, that dark blue. And like I said, the legibility. I'll show you a quick view of the lume, and then we'll wrap this up. So I hope you like this watch. I know I do. I have to return it, unfortunately, but I'll do a full review. I truly appreciate your time with this. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.